Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, sharing a 98% correlation with Bitcoin, can Shiba Inu hold its key support levels? The dog-themed token has been tumbling after striking the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. I used special indicators in the chart for you. You will get 90% accurate results. Watch the video till the end without skipping. Shiba Inu sellers have denied any substantial bull rallies by keeping the price below the constraints of its EMA ribbons. Meanwhile, the bears triggered a breakdown of the long-term symmetrical triangle. For brevity, SHIB prices are multiplied by 1,000 from here on. Should the sellers continue to capitalize on the current sentiment and continue curbing the buying rallies, SHIB could eye for a retest of the $0.01082 support. At press time, the alt traded at $0.01223. Soon after SHIB broke out of the long-term down channel, the $0.033 resistance disregarded its bullish rally in early February. Meanwhile, the bulls took charge of the troughs by marking trendline resistance, previous support, over the last 4 months. After facing a convincingly stiff hurdle at the 23.6% Fibonacci level, the bears were quick to pull off a rally below the 2 cents level. SHIB lost over 68% of its value from the 23.6% reversal and fell toward its 7-month low on the 12th of May. With the rising gap between EMA ribbons, the sellers affirmed their increasing vigor. With the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, BB, approaching the $0.01082 support, the price action broke out of the recent falling wedge. So, a pullback toward the $0.011 zone could propel a short-term bull rally toward the $0.013 mark in the coming days. After failing to sustain itself above the 38 to 40 range, the RSI saw a substantial pullback into the oversold region. With the bulls struggling to overturn the 33 resistance, the current revival phase seemed weak. Nevertheless, a potential bullish crossover of the Arun up, yellow, and the Arun down, blue, indicators would reignite a bullish comeback possibility. Also, the CMF was at a critical stage. A close below the -0.1 mark would affirm a bearish divergence with price and delay a potential recovery on SHIB's chart. Conclusion: while the technical indicators were a mixed bag, the current market structure amplified the bearish narrative. A continued retracement could find resting grounds in the 1 cent zone before the bulls get a chance to negate the selling pressure. A potential recovery beyond the $0.013 level would open doorways for the buyers to test the resistance of its EMA ribbons. Finally, the alt shares a whopping 98% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Hence, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with the overall market sentiment could be essential for making a profitable move. Watch the video till the end without skipping. But the token also saw its whale holders fall drastically, a sign that the largest crypto holders may be losing faith in the meme coin. SHIB adds 16,482 holders. The cumulative meme token market valuation is down by 2% over the last day to stand at $18.8 billion. The SHIB token prices have decreased by 27% in the last 7 days. Top Ethereum whales total Shiba Inu holding valuation has also come down to $566 million. Recent price dump and uncertainty have dragged down the SHIB token to stand at the 3rd spot in terms of holdings. In the meantime, the SHIB holders have surged impressively. The market crash that intensified on May 8, 2022 shows that over 1.14 million wallets were holding the Shiba Inu token. However, the number of SHIB holders surged as the crypto market crackdown escalated. As of May 16, 2022, 1 million wallets are holding the SHIB token with them. The meme token has seen an increase of 16,482 holders in the heavy market crash. However, the all-time high, ATH, of wallets holding SHIB stands at 1,028.4 BLN SHIB burnt by official burn portal. The total market valuation shrunk by 2.20% in the last 24 hours to stand at $1.27 trillion. The Shiba Inu prices are down by 3% in the past 24 hours to trade at an average price of 0.12. The fresh downfall in the SHIB price has led to an increase in the number of holders. Meanwhile, the SHIB army is not holding back as they have burnt around 450 million SHIB tokens in the last 24 hours. However, The official Shiba Inu burn portal has sent over 28.44 billion Shiba Inu tokens to a dead wallet since its inception. Earlier, the milkshake hinted that soon-to-be-launched much-hyped Shibarium will be similar to the Polygon in terms of operability, scalability, and security. Why Shiba Inu is down today? Over the last 24 hours, the price of Shiba Inu, SHIB -4.42%, had fallen roughly 6% as of 1:55 p.m. Eastern Time today for no obvious reason, although investors look to be taking a breather after a strong rally in recent days. Last Thursday, Shiba Inu traded at 856 at its low for the day. On Friday and into the weekend, it rallied to 0.14 and currently trades around 0.12. Last week was extremely volatile for cryptocurrencies, as the price of Bitcoin briefly dipped below $26,000 multiple times and the collapse of the algorithmic stablecoin Terra USD spooked investors. Shiba Inu outperformed Bitcoin last week. Part of this could be related to Shiba Inu's recently launched burning portal tokens, which have begun taking tokens out of Shiba's current overall supply of more than 587 trillion tokens. Some believe this could help Shiba Inu's supply and demand dynamics and eventually drive the price higher. Now, what Shiba Inu started as a meme-inspired cryptocurrency, and while it has accumulated a decent market cap, I've never seen any appeal to the token from a fundamental investing standpoint. It has no real technical advantage or real-world use case. It has an extremely large amount of tokens, and if you thought Bitcoin was hard to value, then Shiba Inu is next to impossible. Additionally, as the Federal Reserve continues to aggressively raise its benchmark overnight lending rate and begins unwinding its balance sheet, which effectively removes liquidity from the economy, investor appetite for riskier assets is likely to decline. I would expect this to be even more of a case for an asset like Shiba Inu, which is why I would recommend staying away. As Shiba Inu's, the metaverse, sale tokens tank, here's the full story for what shall it profit a man, if he shall build a metaverse, but lose his investors. This is what the developers of Shiba Inu are pondering. With the promise to make its investors and other interested members of the public, landowners, the Shiba Inu ecosystem last month launched its SHIB metaverse. The sale of lands on SHIB, the metaverse, was in 3 phases, the bid event and the holders event being the first 2 phases and the public sale being the 3rd phase. In the first 2 phases, Leash and Shiboshi tokens were used to drive the land sale project, as only the holders of these tokens were allowed to bid and purchase lands. During the bid event and the holders event, data from Etherscan revealed that investors spent 6,280 ETH to acquire lands on the SHIB metaverse. In April, the ecosystem kickstarted the public sales phase, wherein anyone interested would be allowed with their Leash tokens to acquire the remaining lands on the SHIB metaverse. However, it is interesting to note that since the last phase of the land sale commenced, the Leash token continually took on a downtrend and shed over 50%. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.